everyone, I am Manav. Today I am going to show you how to make this. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so you can see one of my nice videos and learn with them and make with them. Independence Day is coming, so we will make this flag. First you have to take a big scale. Small also you can take. You have to trace one going up, small steeping over here. This much is enough. Then you again take it up. Now the India flag is ready. You have to tell me all the colors which comes in each corners. Correct. Here is orange, here is white, here is green. We are not coloring this with paint, we are coloring with dal. First we have to put some glue. Now the full glue is ready. Let's put dal. The orange is ready. Can you guess what we are putting for whites? Yes, we are putting white wires. Now first we'll put some glue in the second corner. Now let's put the wires. Now the white is ready. Let's do the green one. Now the flag is ready. Let's do the pole. For the pole, I'm just using one standing glue. Flag is ready. If you want the extra stuff, take the paper and take it out. What is missing on the India flag? Yes, the Ashoka Chakra. I'm using a marker to do this. Now the India flag is ready. And please, what all things you make which you learn from me, please take a photo and send it to my channel. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new things. Stay safe. Bye.